together from the various question papers and various materials.
బాగా స్టడీ చేశారు మీరు లోతుగా.
అంటే ఏదో పిచ్చి చెప్పకుండా వాళ్ళ క్వశ్చన్ కు
వాళ్ళకి బాగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. నేను కూడా ఈ డాన్స్ గురించి ఇంత లోతుగా ఆలోచన చేయలేదు ఎప్పుడు. బాగా చేశారు. అన్ని అటు సౌత్ నార్త్ అన్ని కలిపారు. కథక్ గురించి చెప్పారు, బిహు గురించి చెప్పారు, దాండియా గురించి చెప్పారు. అన్ని మొత్తం అసలు కవర్ అయిన తర్వాత డెఫినెట్ గా ఏదో క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది.
అవునవును,
వీటి మీద డెఫినెట్ గా వస్తుంది. ప్లీజ్ కంటిన్యూ.
యా. So in another 10 minutes I try to complete the music part also, so that one particular part I will be completing this way, and tomorrow in another 4 or 5 aspects of art and culture. I want to know, my idea is to give you appropriate information, very brief information, which has got some kind of significance for wherein a question is appearing, you should be able to get the relevant information. I am not going anything beyond the requirement. So quickly let me complete the music also. Dances we heard, and then music is another form of performing art. Music, origin of music is from Samaveda. In Samaveda there is a Upaveda called Gandharva Veda. Gandharva that is the science of music. Narada is the first sage who revealed laws of music. Veena is the oldest instrument used in music. Tumbura is the first vocalist. Who is the first singer is Tumbura. Saraswati is the goddess of music and literature. In Gupta Empire, art and culture excelled. Kalidasa, Vatsayana, these two people, they contributed large to music drama. Pahian written in his archives that Kalidasa and then Vatsayana, Harshavardhan, these are all people who contributed. Harshavardhan, be a king, being himself is a singer, he has written Nagananda, Ratnavali and Priyadarshika. These three were written by Raja Harshavardhan. Brihadhishi is the book written by Matanga Muni. This is related to music aspect. Amir Khusro is otherwise called Parrot of India. Amir Khusro is the father of Qawwali. Kela and Tarana are two styles of Qawwali created by Amir Khusro. Man Singh Tomar is another person who introduced Drupad. These are all various forms of Carnatic music, Hindustani music. These are various forms. Drupad is one form. Tarana is another form. Qawwali is another form. Drupad is Gwalior Gharana. In Gwalior, Drupad was introduced. What are the pillars of music? There is Swara, Tala, and then Raga. Swara is 7 notes. Sarigamapa is the Swara. 7 notes will be there. And Shruti is the music in which pitch, what pitch you are rendering music is Shruti. Tala is Swara in a rhythmic style. For each note, each beat, a minimum of 5 swaras have to be there. In Sarigamapa, a minimum of 5 should be there, so that if you are arranging them, that 5 swaras, that becomes one beat. Raga is nothing but arrangement of rules, arrangement of notes in a rule, so that it can create melody. In Hindustani, 6 ragas are important. Deepak, Megha, Malkhos, Hindol, Sri, and then Bhairav. These are the 6 ragas which are very important in Hindustani music. When you are talking about Carnatic music, you have not 6, sir. There are 72 ragas in Carnatic music, whereas in Hindustani music there are 6 ragas. 6 ragas I told you. Hindustani music is an earth music. Sitar, tabla, santur, sarangi, shehnai, harmonium, and pakhwas. These are the instruments used in Hindustani music. Substyles of Hindustani music are Drupad, I told you, Man Singh Tomar, and then Baiju Bawra, Tansen. These are the important musicians that time, vocalists. Qawwali, Amir Khusro. Qawwali is a type of Hindu Muslim culture is introduced into Qawwali. Like Drupad, Qawwali is also a substyle. Here, Amir Khusro introduced it. It's a romantic way of singing. And Gwalior Gharana is famous for Qawwali. Then Thumri is another substyle. I am telling you Drupad, Qawwali, and then Thumri. Thumri is a light romantic lyrics of Indian classical culture. That's a way of rendering. Then Daman Hodi is another one. It is similar to Drupad, but Radha Krishna episodes are generally taken here. Tappa is another way. Tappa is another substyle. It's in Punjab and Sindh. Written in Punjabi, those lyrics are used for Tappa. Tarana is another substyle. It's a poetry. Rhythmic melody will be there. There is a poetic form will be there. Ghazal is one other aspect. Ghazal is pride of Urdu poetry. Seven sharis are called one ghazal. This again, Amir Khusro is the pioneer for ghazal. Gwalior Tarana and Rangila, Agra, these are the gharanas now you have. Gwalior Gharana, and then no, Kirana is Awadh style. Rangila is an Agra style. These are the. Now I am talking about Carnatic music. Another 2 minutes now I will talk about Carnatic music. Carnatic music belongs to South India. Here, Purandaradasa, the devotional music is famous here. There is Carnatic music. There are Trinity, Tyagaraja, Muthuswami Dikshita, and then Syama Shastri. These 3 famous musicians are called Trinity of Karnataka music. Carnatic music. It's not Karnataka. It's Carnatic. Main focus is on vocal singing. Hindustani is dominated by instruments, whereas Carnatic music is mostly focused on vocal singing. Here the instruments you see, there are instruments I told you. Here instruments, their instruments differ. Mrudangam, Veena, flute, tambura, ghatam, and violin, morsing. These are the instruments used in Carnatic music. But whereas santur, sitar, tabla, sarangi, shehnai, harmonium, pakhwas, these are used in Hindustani music. But again, like dances, we go to the folk music. There are many people know, many dayans are there in Carnatic music. Basically, the differences of Carnatic and Hindustani, I told you, that is important, that is sufficient for you, so that they cannot deceive you in a statement form. Then folk music, there are Jammu and Kashmir, their name is Vanavan, and Pandwani is Chhattisgarh, Allah is MP, Pai again MP, Mano is Rajasthan, Ori, OV is Maharashtra and Goa. similarities and dissimilarities, it's only for academic sake I have given folk music, but no, here no folk music no is really important to be remembered by you. Similarities, dissimilarities of Hindustani and Carnatic, same. Major is instruments differ. Their instruments, Hindustani is for north, Carnatic is for south. Hindustani 6 ragas, in Carnatic 72 ragas. Hindustani, the vocal is not important, but whereas in Carnatic only vocal is important. Different gharanas are there. Here in Carnatic, style is not. There can be style, individual styles of people, but no, there are no sub styles here. So
వేసుకో.
those are the things. I have taken this topic because in 1980 there was one question appeared. They asked a question. It's a one word answer. They asked. The question was, what is the raga in Carnatic music symbolizing the early hours of the morning? This was the question. So suddenly you have to get an answer. Unless you study it or no, it's there in your memory, you come out with an answer. Otherwise, a Tamil song has come to my rescue. Idu Kulandaikkaga Talattum, Idu Iravanera Bhupalam. Iravanera is morning hours. Bhupal raga. That is Bhupalam. Telugu also. Toli Sanjay Velalo, Tolima Poddu Podupulo. So, Vinipinche Ragam Bhupalam, Egiroche Keratam Sindhuram. There also you can remember. See, when you are now going through all these things, you can certainly remember that. Likewise, any question can be asked from the static portion. Once the static portion is completed, I will give you the developments on these aspects now in 2 classes, all this 1 year developments in art and culture. So, thank you for today. I think I have covered these topics in a quick